3 over 5 times 5, we can easily cancel this 5 and this 5, so we have just 3. And 24 divided by 3 gives us 8. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. If you do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first 24 divided by 3 over 5. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here times 5. Okay, 24 times 5 over 3. 24 divided by 3 gives us 8, and 3 divided by 3 is just 1. Okay, so here we have 8 times 5, which gives us 40. So 40 times 5, which equals 200. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 200.